Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make a handleless cabinet. So first we go to customize, and then go to kitchen cabinet. Here I'll be using this double door cabinet. I make a copy of 3. For example here, I'm using 3 cabinet. And I will install for the wall cabinet as well. Wall cabinet. And I make it as 3 as well. Alright. So we want to install no handle cabinet. We go to install here, install, no handle and install. Click on top of the cabinet, and for the wall cabinet, we click on the front of the cabinet and click confirm. Alright, go to cross and then delete all the handle that we have already installed here. So we want to delete it as we want to make a handleless cabinet. Go to right click on the wall, all handles, and delete. Okay, so this is the example where you can see the handleless cabinet installed on the cabinet, floor cabinet and wall cabinet. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.